Hello friends. Welcome to this class. In today's class, I want to show you how you can edit YouTube transcript with ChatGPT. In one of the videos I uploaded, I show you how you can edit YouTube transcripts in Microsoft Word. Today, the focus of today's class is on how you can make use of ChatGPT. The first part we cover the transcript without the timestamp. So what you have to do, you have to copy the transcript. You can highlight it, copy the transcript, highlight this, scroll down, scroll down, press the shift button to your left, and press this. Okay, copy. Now, if you copy and paste the file, the text, Word document, come to home. Now, to adjust it is going to take a lot of time from you, and you want to save time. That is, you want to leverage on the use of artificial intelligence. So, what you have to do instead of manual arrangement, manual like this. Now, especially when you have large file, this will take a time. That's the essence of this video, so that you can maximize the use of artificial intelligence. So, open to ChatGPT. What you have to do, you can create prompt, arrange the text, or the prompt that work for you, paste it, enter. Without much ado, you'll see that ChatGPT will have arranged the tests. All you have to do is to copy. This will save your time. All you have to do is to copy. So, within a short time, ChatGPT has arranged it. All you have to do is to copy. This is Microsoft Word. You can paste, you can light, you can adjust, you can use your desired font, and you can decide to compare, contrast. This is the transcript copy from the YouTube. You can view side by side. You can view side by side, scroll it, and compare. You see that it's the same text. So, wow, the use of ChatGPT has saved your time. Otherwise, you can decide to add other things. So, this is how to use ChatGPT to edit YouTube transcripts. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell so that you can get alert for our subsequent uploads. Thank you for watching.